Hey there, Noel. How are you? This is Ashley. I know you're in contact with Lee. And so, yeah, basically in this video, I am going to be showing you three things that you can do to better your overall rankings in Google and really maximize your traffic. I know that you had told Lee you just got a website done. And as far as your current site right now, I'm not sure if it's under maintenance, but it is currently not live. So, I don't know if it is under maintenance and it's just not live or if you don't have a website at all. But from my view right now, you don't have a website at all. And I know that you had just gotten one done. I just know that it was missing, content, keywords, the main key factors as to what gets you ranked in Google. Um, so yeah, that is huge with your website currently. We need to get this back online. So if we come over here, I did a general search in your area for water restoration, and these guys down here from the organic section are your competitors. And I'm going to show you how to beat out these guys. But I'm going to go through their site as if I would yours. And so the first thing I see is their phone number. I like that. I like the whole chat with us, the get help immediately, and nice clean type of layout. Now, if we scroll through, the first thing that I notice is how much content they have. And not only that, that they are using keywords in their content, which keywords are huge when it comes to your content because you can have, a bunch of content, but if you don't have those keywords that you want to be found for, then you're not going to be found for those keywords. Like right here is a keyword, fire damage restoration. Water damage restoration. So for example, that water restoration Boynton Beach, if I want to be found for that, I'm going to have it as a header. I'm going to have it in my description. I'm going to save my pictures as it. Instead of saving this as water, I'd be saving that as water damage restoration Boynton Beach. Something like that. But so when it comes to your content, everything that I have highlighted is all considered content. Like I said, even what your pictures are saved as. And now Google likes to see right around 1,500 words of content, and that's so we can fit in those keywords that you want to be found for. Boynton Beach water damage restoration, fire damage and mold removal. Those are all different keywords. But if we take a look at what exact keywords they have on their page right now, they actually currently have 3.5K. So I went through and looked, and their first keyword they have is water restoration. Has a volume of 5.2 thousand. So 5.2 thousand people are going in that Google search bar. They are typing water restoration. And out of those 5.2 thousand, 430 of them are directly going to their website. That's a lot of traffic off just one keyword that you're missing out on. First of all, by not having this keyword, and second of all, by not having it in your website, and third, by not having your website be live. So if we scroll down, the next one I seen was water cleanup West Palm Beach, Florida. I seen that West Palm Beach was like right around 15 miles away. So that is being searched. That's being searched 450 times. Now 33 people are directly going to their site out of that 450. Now I don't know what a job is worth to you guys, but let's say you were to land 10 of these 33 and you get $1,000 per job. That's $10,000 off just one keyword. And then the next one I liked was fire restoration companies near me. That is being searched another 450 times, and 24 people are directly going to these guys' website. Now these are buyer intent keywords, meaning people are going to Google and typing these keywords in because they're actually interested in fire restoration, water cleanup, whether it was a flood, fire, whatever the case may be. So I hope you can see the importance of keywords and having the right keywords in your content, and what they can do as far as your traffic. And then if we come back here, I'm just going to break down Google for you a little bit. So as you can see up here are the local ads. Sometimes up here there's the Google guarantee, but right now there's local ads. And basically, if you set these up correctly and really tailor them to your services and the service area that you want to do your services in, then they can benefit you. And then moving on down to this section here, this is the GMB, Google My Business, and basically 40% of your traffic, or 40% of traffic goes to this area here. So it is, being on this first page is extremely important, but being in these top 3 times, sometimes top 4, that's where you need to be. So to get here, you need to, what I do if I were in your shoes is find out all the different citations that these guys have. And if I were to find out they're listed in 150 different directories, I'd list myself in those on top of like 300 more. Because look, what they had to do, you're going to have to do as well. But you're also going to have to do more because you want to get ahead of them, right? And then moving on down to this last section here of Google, this is the organic section. And getting here just requires having backlinks. And a backlink is a link created when one website links back to your website. So basically, to get you in this area, we need to beat out the competition in every aspect. And to do that, we come over here to a paid resource I use. Usually I'd compare your stats compared to theirs, but you don't have any stats right now because you technically don't have a website. So we can see they have a UR of a 9, a DR of a 51, 21,000 backlinks, and 3.5K organic keywords. Now, don't let these numbers scare you. They seem like a lot, but they are very beatable with time. Now, look, if these backlinks are strong enough to get them in that top position, then they're strong enough to get you there too, right? So what I'd do is I'd go and I'd get all of these backlinks that are pointing at these guys, and I'd get them pointing back at you. And then as far as the organic keywords, I already went and showed you, so I hope you can see now a little bit of how keywords in your content and having backlinks and all of that is so important. Because look, once you beat them out in content, you beat them out in the backlinks, you take this position that they're currently at and you start seeing that traffic that they're currently being read at, which they're currently being read at 100,000 per month. I hope you can see the importance with not only the keywords and the content and the backlinks, but just being on this first page in general. So yeah, that's all I have for you right now. If you want to talk some more, if you have any questions, concerns, or, just like to know more in general, reach out. My personal cell phone's 570-536-4151. Again, my name is Ashley. My number's 570-536-4151. I look forward to talking with you, and have a great one, Noel. Bye.